So this is question of literary forms and terms. Let's start and see what type of question we have. First question is our meter in poetry means. Meter in poetry means. Meter in poetry means stress levels, unstressed levels, a pattern of stress and unstressed levels, rhyme. Meter in poetry means a pattern of stress and unstressed levels. It is the rhythmic pattern of poetic line. इसका आंसर होगा a pattern of stress and unstressed levels. Next question हमारा which is not a part of structure of the classic ode, स्ट्रोफ, एंटी स्ट्रोफ, एपोड, इक्लॉग. तो इसका आंसर होगा इक्लॉग. इक्लॉग जो है वो क्लासिक ओड का पार्ट नहीं है. In classical ode, stanzas were patterned in sets of the three moving in dance rhythm. To the left, the chorus chanted the strophe, moving to the right, the antistrophe, the standing still in the epode. Next question है which of the following is not a non-fictional genre? Diaries, autobiographies, romance, memoirs. तो ये होगा romance. Romance is a feeling of excitement and adventure, especially connected to a particular place or activity. So romance is not a non-fictional genre. Next question है which of the following is not an element of drama? Stagecraft, feedback, character, dialogue. तो ये होगा feedback. Which of the following is not an element of drama? Feedback. इसका आंसर होगा feedback. Feedback is a advice, criticism or information about how good or useful something or somebody's work is. So this is not an element of drama. The 19th century American movement transcendentalism was not concerned with self-reliance, supremacy of insight, going back to nature, crude materialism. तो इसका आंसर होगा crude materialism. Transcendentalism is a very formal word that describes a very simple idea. People, men and women, equally have knowledge about themselves and the world around them that transcends or goes beyond what they can see, hear, taste, touch or feel. Crude materialism was not concerned with the 19th century American movement. Transcendentalism. Next question is our naturalism. Naturalism is the idea or belief that only natural laws and forces operate in the world. Naturalism is the idea or belief that only natural laws and forces operate in the world, only spiritual laws and forces operate in the world, only supernatural laws and forces operate in the world, that neither natural laws nor spiritual laws operate in the world. तो इसका आंसर होगा only natural laws and forces operate in the world. Naturalism presumes that nature is in principle completely knowable. There is in nature a regularity, unity and wholeness that implies objective law without which the pursuit of scientific knowledge could be absurd. So naturalism is the idea or belief that only natural laws and forces operate in the world. Next question है हमारा Bildungus Roman is a literary genre that focus on the coming of age of the protagonist, melodrama, myths, legend. तो इसका आंसर होगा the coming of age of the protagonist. Bildungus Roman is the artist novel which represents the growth of novelist or other artist from childhood in the stage of maturity that signalize the recognition of the protagonist artistic destiny and mostly of an artistic craft. Next question है हमारा the feminist movement in literature has not concentrate on the role played by literature to support gender discrimination, the difference in the ways in which works male writers and female writers have represented gender discrimination, accepting psychiatrical norms and adhering to them in their writings. रीजन्स फॉर लेजर सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वुमेन राइटर्स इन द लिटरेरी ट्रेडिशन। तो इसका आंसर होगा एक्सेप्टिंग पेट्रारिकल नॉर्म्स एंड अधीरिंग टू देम इन दियर राइटिंग्स। Accepting patriarchal norms and adhering to them in their writings is not concerned on feminist movement in literature. Next question है हमारा. Next question is our, how many lines does the ballad meter traditionally consist? 3, 4, 6, 8. तो ये होगा 4. The ballad stanza consists of 4 lines traditionally, with the first and third lines written in the iambic tetrameter and the second and fourth lines written in iambic trimeter with a rhyme scheme of ABCB. There are 4 lines in traditionally ballad. Tetra and trimeter are used. Tetra and trimeter are used. Next question है हमारा. The term ecological imperialism was coined. The term ecological imperialism was coined by वंदना शिवा, लॉरेंस व्योल, पोलो फेरी, अल्फ्रेड क्रॉसबाई. तो ये होगा अल्फ्रेड क्रॉसबाई. द टर्म इकोलॉजिकल imperialism was coined by Alfred Crossby. Ecological imperialism, the biological expansion of Europe 900 to 1900, is a 1986 book by Alfred Crossby in which he explains the relative ease with which Europeans conquered Neo Europe was due to biology than military conquest. Next question is, a form of verse adopted for singing or recitation which presents a dramatic or exciting episode in simple narrative form is called. वर्स अडॉप्टेड और सिंगिंग, और ये होगा बैलेड. ओड, बैलेड, एपिक, एलिजी. तो इसका आंसर होगा बैलेड्स. ये लिखा हुआ है वर्स अडॉप्टेड फॉर सिंगिंग. जहाँ पे सिंगिंग दिया गया होगा वहाँ बैलेड. बैलेड हमारा गाया जाता है, गा के गायन के फॉर्म में ये सुनाया जाता है. हीरोइक कपलेट. हीरोइक कपलेट कंसिस्ट a line of verse consisting 7 feet, a stanza of 7 lines, a verse line with 7 syllables, iambic pentameter lines rhymed in pair. तो ये होगा iambic pentameter lines rhymed in pairs. Lines of iambic pentameter which rhyme in pairs A, A, B, B, C, C and so on is called heroic couplet. This verse form was introduced into English poetry by Geoffrey Chaucer in the Legend of Good Omen. Next question is our, who pioneered heroic couplet in English? Geoffrey Chaucer, William Langland, John Dryden, John Milton. तो इसका आंसर होगा Geoffrey Chaucer. The verse form heroic couplet was introduced in English poetry by Geoffrey Chaucer in the Legend of Good Omen and most of the contemporary tales from the age of John Dryden. John Dryden thought that of Samuel Johnson the heroic couplet was the predominant English measure for all the poetic kinds. Some poets, including Alexander Pope, used it almost to the exclusion of others meters. Who gave theory of disconstruction? ये होगा Jacques Derrida. Who is the associated with theory of disconstruction? Jacques Derrida. So the originator and name of disconstruction is given by the French thinker Jacques Derrida. Disconstruction from of philosophical and literary analysis. So these are questions of literary forms and terms. If you like my videos then like, share and subscribe. फिर हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इन्हीं क्वेश्चनों के साथ. बाय बाय.